Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust touch controls on your Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So to do this we have to be connected with our earbuds and the Samsung application. Next we have to scroll down and find touch controls. And right here we are able to adjust function of touch and hold for the left and the right. In my case the right is not working, it's simply broken, so I can only replace for the left. So you have to click and you get two options. You can use voice command, basically wake your voice assistant, switch to the ambient sound or volume down. And that's also how you can do this with the right one. You can also enable or disable touches. So when you enable this option, you will be not able to adjust, for example, the volume or wake your voice assistant. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.